Chapter 8, where threads cross in silence. Location: High Spire Crownhold, Inner Metropolis 10, Eridan, Sky Bastion, House Kaloon, Tidelocked Hall, Half-Sunken Court, House Veltharn, Perspectives, Thres Erendor, Prince Regent of House Erendor, Sabrine, K-Rune, Exiled Archivist, Ethoria Velon, the Sea-Dreamed One, the Guttering Flame of the Web in the lower catacombs, beneath the ruby throne where lay wounds in the earth bled, red light. The ritual engine began to pulse again after decades of dormancy, a living machine etched from bone metal and regret. It whispered old names with the breath of ghosts.